Guys, so had a pretty fun flying day, so shot some videos in VR. It'll take a while for me to upload these up because you guys know you got to do all the fiddling around with the software in order to get these things online. But was able to fly some really fun planes, my modified baby RC with the dual wing, which is very strange, but you know, it's one of my inventions. What would expecting something not strange? And then of course I rebuilt this, which is a pretty cool tool that I have, which I'll be able to attach to myself like this so that I can shoot easier, you know, when I'm just shooting around, like stuff like that. And basically what it does, it allows me to see while I'm filming, and then it's going to be strapped to my shoulder.
Likey.